Hello, this is a tutorial on 3.22b1. We're going to be doing subtraction equations. We just did in the last lesson addition equations. So this time we're going to be doing subtraction equations. A couple of things here to note. First of all, you're just going to be doing basically questions 7 through 10, and then down at the bottom here, 19 through 24, sorry, 7 through 12, and 19 through 24. And in some of these, there may be some challenge problems where you have negative numbers. If you run across that, you can either skip it or try it, but we'll see if we can find one here that has a negative number in it. So let's start off with number 7 here. B minus 4 equals 9. Now I know you know the answer, but we're using simple problems so you understand this process here. I'll use a different color. So in order to get B by itself, to isolate it, we'll have to get rid of the 4. The way you get rid of that negative 4 is to add 4 to both sides. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. This negative 4 and this positive 4 cross off. You're just left with B equals 9 plus 4, which is 13. Which is, I know, the answer that you knew, but I'm not concerned about the answer. I want to see the work steps on this one here. All right. I don't see any of them that are going to be negative here. Let's try one over here. 2 equals z minus 14. So let's just take and get z by itself. We're going to have to get rid of this minus 14. So let's add 14 to this side. Let's add 14 to this side. Those cross off. You're left with z equals 16. And again, if you want to put these railroad tracks in, you can. All right, let's go down and try one of the harder ones down here. 7.4 equals n minus 2.6. Again, our goal is to get n by itself. So we're going to add 2.6 to this side. We're going to add 2.6 to this side. Those cross off. You're left with n. And then just add these guys up. This would be 4. This would be 0. This is going to be 10, 10.0, or just 10 equals n. Okay. Good luck working on these. Pretty easy problems. And yes, you can use calculator. That's why the negative ones, if you run across any negatives, that'll be fine too.